Hey guys, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix or reduce the sycophancy problem in GPT-4o. First, let's understand what sycophancy in AI means. It's when the model tends to overly agree with a user's input without questioning it or offering a critical perspective. To start, open and log into ChatGPT. To work around this, the best method is to ask the model to fact-check itself or to consider counter-arguments. For example, instead of saying, explain why X is the best, you can rephrase your prompt as, what are the pros and cons of X compared to Y? Or, is it really true that X is the best? Why or why not? This framing encourages the model to evaluate the claim rather than simply agree with it. You can also use prompts like be objective or take a neutral stance before asking your question. This reminds GPT-4o to avoid bias and can drastically reduce its tendency to be overly agreeable. Lastly, in longer conversations, keep the model in check by occasionally prompting it to reassess. Say things like, do you think that was an accurate explanation? Or could there be a better answer to this? These subtle interventions help reset its tone and analytical depth. So while you can't eliminate sycophancy completely, these prompt strategies can help you get more critical, reliable, and balanced outputs from GPT-4o. Thanks for watching.